It's your boy Keys. We're live on our CoinMarketCap blog. We're looking at an overview of trending airdrops on the CoinMarketCap Airdrop. So it says participate in exclusive crypto airdrops. So you participate in crypto airdrops right on CMC. Get to see the full crypto airdrop calendar, including cryptocurrencies, token, and other crypto assets for current, upcoming, and closed airdrops. If your airdrop project wants to be an airdrop partner, there's a link here which you can click. However, it says here that ongoing airdrops, Jojo token, we have Jojo token airdrop, Leonicorn, Swap, Leo's token, Anon token, 2 crazy NFT. So these are currently 4 ongoing airdrops. And you can see the number of people that have participated already. In sum total, this should amount to about 6 to 7 million users. Okay, this should amount to about, let's say, 5 to 5 to 6 million users that has participated on this project already. So next on the list, he says the number of winners needed. So the highest happens to be 10,000 winners. And we also have 185 million Jojo tokens. So these are the timeline for these, which is easier for you to know, schedule with your time, and also be able to participate in this airdrop. Now, Liquidos is also an upcoming airdrop. Pando, we have the files and Throne. So they are currently 4 ongoing and 4 upcoming airdrops. So subsequently, they'll be adding more airdrops that are beneficial to you guys. So the number of winners needed, we have Liquidos having the number of winners, 20,000. LIQ tokens will be 100,000 LIQ tokens will be distributed to 20,000 users or lucky winners. So these airdrops will be starting 45 minutes recording. You can see the timeline, dates, and calendar. So you want to be aware of these, or you want to be a user that checks up on CoinMarketCap on a daily basis. So guys, that's all. It's your boy Keys. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. There's still some other updates we didn't cover, but you want to let us know in the comment section what you feel. And a big shout out to all our users. Subsequently, we're dropping a shout out to each and every one of our loyal subscribers on the comment section. So peace out, guys. One love, and see you in a future upload. Goodbye, Keys. Subscribe, guys.